our community was like many communities, we're really based on the local industry, the factories. And once those factories started moving out of the community, it's kind of we lost our way. A number of people moved out of the community, and we just kind of became very apathetic in terms of what we were doing, both in the educational system and with the economy. And so what we know now is that our students really need to be exposed to opportunities related to STEM. That the research shows that our students are going to perform better in math and science if they're exposed earlier. So one of the things that we thought was really important is that we start exposing our students to math and science opportunities, to jobs in the STEM area as early as kindergarten and even as early as preschool, just at a different level. If you think about good to great, we want our hedgehog concept to be student engagement. It's really important to us that students not only take ownership of their learning, but they actually understand why what they're doing in the classroom now relates to their career goals and their aspirations in their future. And so we're explicitly making connections between today and the future for many of our children.